Hello, we're Team Chief Sosa, and this is our product for the Makeathon, our prototype. Our members are myself, Luke Pierce, and Charlie Plummer. The challenge we chose was the Hotel Project number 2, and we call our prototype the Laundry Folding Machine. This is our first schematic for the prototype. It's actually oriented this way in our schematic, or in our actual prototype. Basically, the way it works is you would place your cloth or your whatever needs folded onto the platform, and then two flaps would fold the cloth into one fold and then a second fold. And this operates off of two servo motors here and just two pieces of we have cardboard. It could definitely be used with plastic or something sturdier. I'm going to show the prototype in a second, but this is the circuit diagram that I made. Our Arduino is hooked up to our computer, and then the Arduino itself has a wire that goes to the button, wire that goes to the servo, both servos. We used pin 12 and pin 8 and 7 for the servos, and then we also have a wire for the voltage going at the bottom that hooks up to each servo, and then a wire for the ground that hooks up to all the components. And this is the actual servo itself, or the actual circuit itself. You can see all the wires and the pins go to each servo, one there and one there, and there's a pin or a wire that goes to the button itself, and all the voltages go to each servo, and all the ground goes to each servo, including the button. And our code, this is our code for the Arduino. The way the servos work is one servo, as you can see here. So one servo folds, one servo goes first. Let me highlight. Sweet. So this servo would fold, then return to its normal state, and then the second servo would do the same thing. Okay, now for the demonstration. So this is the actual design element of it. We have one servo attached to this side, and another servo attached to this side, and each servo has a little flap that is hooked up to it. Okay. Now the actual the demo. So here we go. We got it's a small cloth, and the idea here is that this is like a scaled down version of the actual folding machine. Okay, so once the button is pushed, should fold the cloth. Bam. Sweet.